Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet with me, Crochet with Lala, episode 3. Today is July 5th, the day after 4th of July. Let me know if you guys did anything fun for 4th of July. Like those of you who live in the US, if you don't, you probably just had a normal day. I had fun, you know. What did I do? I went to the park with Hisham. We had fun, walked around, and then we ended up at the top of a high school building, the rooftop of a high school building around us, which had an incredible view of the city, and it was really nice. Right now, I'm still crocheting the fluffy, puffy flower cardigan, which was my last crochet with me, which I feel like I wasn't really crocheting. It was honestly a lot of just a Q&A while I had something in my hand. But I've been making this sweater for about 2 weeks. I love making sweaters once they're done, because I like actually wearing them. I like wearing oversized, really comfortable sweaters, but it just takes so long. I'm running out of my yarn. I need to finish the back panel and a whole nother sleeve and all the ribbing and all that. So I had to order more yarn, and that's never happened to me. I always just buy a lot, or I mix in a different color. But this time I actually ran out, and it's not gonna get here for another 3 to 4 days. So I get this thing, right? I don't know if other people feel this. I have I don't have that many clothes. I have a reasonable amount of clothes, but I always find myself wearing the same things again and again because I find the most comfort out of wearing one basic thing. And it's the city I live in too. I don't want creeps looking or doing stuff when I'm walking around by myself. So I end up wearing my appropriate clothing, which isn't always the cutest. And then I always I don't have a place to wear my nice clothes. And yesterday for 4th of July, I put on an all white outfit with a red purse. It low-key made me a little bit anxious to actually wear something cute and shorts, but I was I don't know why that happens to me. I get uncomfortable wearing my nice clothes even though I want to wear them so badly. I don't know. But this morning I was sitting on my couch just watching YouTube casually, and I had a water bottle next to me. It was literally while I was making these flowers, right? I had my water bottle next to me, and it was just on the couch, and an hour goes by, and then after I realized my whole container of water was spilling into my couch. So now my whole couch is drenched and I don't know what to do. Right now the cushions are all up and stuff, but do I dry it with a hair dryer? At least it was water. So an omelet is pretty much my go-to really quick, easy, tasty snack meal. And I almost always mix mayo with sriracha to dip my omelet in. Sometimes I have white rice on the side, but today that's a no-no. This mayo is the best mayo I I've ever had. I like it so much. Okay, so right now I have a little bit of work to do on my computer. I'm using this new desk my dad made me. I need to like, you can't see the top up there. Like I have shelves, I need to like decorate it somehow. I want to put plants, but there's no sunlight over here. I need to get a lamp. I think that's what I really need, a lamp. Some sort of light source. But yeah, I'm gonna do some work for a bit until like I get too tired or stressed out. And then I'm gonna keep crocheting. I've been working for like 6 hours, honestly. I did some work for like 3 hours and then I was editing my video. It's pretty late now. I have some rice cooking so I can make a little quick dinner. I'm gonna make some sushi burritos, but with chicken inside because they're so good. But my Amazon stuff came, so my yarn should be here. So I'm thinking like after I eat and stuff, I'm gonna finish, or I'm gonna start my tutorial for this sweater, finish it up tomorrow and all that. I think it's in this one. You know what? I ordered this yarn and some other things, you know, like last week, right? Like last Monday. Today is Monday. So like literally 7 days ago. And then it never got here. I think someone stole my mail. Like the other day I was coming back from getting groceries and the building right next to mine, there was a police outside of it and the guy was like saying, oh, there was a guy in here and he was just like grabbing random things. I feel like he probably went into my building and stole my package and I just never knew. But like he has no use for yarn, so I don't know. Unless he's gonna make himself something, which he probably won't. But yeah, I saw him being like handcuffed to the police car next to me. Yeah. So she's here. Yay. I was going to do like a whole tutorial tonight, even though, what time is it? It's like 11 o'clock at night. I don't know why I do this. I feel like I overwork myself sometimes. Cause I literally set up my thing and everything to start recording. And then like tiredness just hit me. So it's been like a day or so since my last clip. I've been grinding. I've been working hard. Literally yesterday I was working on the sweater majority of the day, and now that I work super hard, I'm almost done. I don't know why. It's the middle of summertime, right? It's like 95 degrees today and I'm making a sweater. I don't know, I just got like really inspired by like a Pinterest that I saw and I was like, I have to make it. But you know, I could have saved this project for like, what's in my hair? I could have saved this project for like the fall time, but I didn't. I'm thinking, I have like a lot of summer things that I want to make. I want to make some bikinis, some crop tops, some shorts, some sets. So I should really get on that while it's still summer and not do like a winter sweater. But I'll show you. Ooh, look at my Nara. I'll show you what I have so far. So this is what I have so far. I'm doing like a little, I'm trying to do like a cute setup for like a sneak peek type thing that I want to post on my socials. But I have a lot of plans. I have way more, but that's another thing. I'm gonna see what I can do, and then I'm pretty much done. I just have to connect all the pieces and finish making these little Pups, what the hell is on my floor? And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this little crochet with me episode 3. If you did, let me know, and I'm gonna keep doing them because I'm having fun. It's like a vlog of my life of crocheting. And I was like, maybe I can do these when I do sewing videos too, because yo, a lot goes down when I make things, a lot of mental stuff and thinking. My hair. But look out for the video if you want it. Give me any suggestions of things you want me to make, because especially summertime things, because I want to make some things. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.